Hi, this is Kara, and I have another flip through of my first file folder junk journal. This one is for a swap. So I just thought I would make a quick little video before I send it off to her. Pretty fun. The front is Maggie Holmes paper, and I added some Heidi Shine and a lock. And look at those hands. Oh, those are nice. Good thing I'm videotaping. Maybe I should have washed my hands. Prior to this video, I was making these. Yep, I should have washed my hands. Oh well, let's go with it. So I have some cards. And the fairy paper I had in my last journal. Some stickers. This was from a swap someone gave me, so I thought it'd be a cute little tuck spot. Freckled Fawn, a past kit. They had these really cool acetate papers. Here, hold on a second. I'm going to show you what else I made with it. Things are falling off. Also made a scrapbook layout with those frames. Isn't that cool? That's me. That's me. There's the husband. He shaved his beard when we were on vacation last summer. So yeah, I just did a little watercolor and added those frames. How cool is that? And then I have to glue this piece back on. Fill it right off. Okay, back to the journal. A little ADD today, apparently. This is also from, I don't know if you can see it very well. That's a heart that someone cut out on their Cricut and sent in Happy Mail. Some more, and a little tuck spot. A thank you card that's falling out from the doily that I sewed on. Layered some ephemera. Yep, I layered ephemera. Oh my goodness. Happy Planner teacher paper that I thought I was going to use last year and I never did. So I think I've said this. I like the feel of the tab up there. So I added it in. Flowers. This says, "Love is the beauty of your soul." Another gifted thing from a swap. And this is from an old book that I got at Goodwill. I was looking to see if it's somewhere I can grab it really quick. Anyway, it's a really old Russian ballet dancer book. And on the back, there's the back. But how cool. I mean, pretty neat. Mixed media paper so she can doodle, paint, draw. A thing of stickers. A tuck spot, more fairies, butterflies, cute, a doily. This says, "Loving our everyday life." A little tuck spot. So this is the bottom of the tag, and I put the top of the tag over here as a tab. So I did two things. It says notes, Freckled Fawn heart on some music paper. Sticker says hopes and dreams. I added some washi to reinforce the fairy paper. It was a little fragile. In the middle right here, I added some beads to the middle of the signature. Flowers. Went with the purple washi, I thought. Here's the back of the paper with the music notes. Number 5. Don't forget this. You could make a to-do list, doodle. Here's some more doilies. Oops. More fairies. This was some leftover scraps that I had in a long time ago. I really like this paper, so a long time ago I thought, well, I don't want to waste it, so I made just a quick little ephemera piece. And then I kept it and put it in there. Little tag. Mixed media paper. Here's another one I made with a butterfly. The paper is so pretty, so I didn't want to get rid of it. More Russian dancers here. A little picture frame. Notes. A little tag, and then I added ribbon with sewed on a ribbon. Roll with it. Butterfly. And there we go. And I'm noticing my hands are disgusting. Yep. these flowers I made, see, before the video. And I don't think I washed my hands, but you know, it's good for me to go ahead and videotape. That's quite important without washing your hands. So anyway, here's the journal and the back. So fun. I hope she likes it when I mail it off, hopefully today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this flip through, go ahead and give a like. Subscribe if you have ideas for other videos. One of these days I'd like to try a process video. A, I need how to figure out how to edit, and B, I feel like I need to keep working on things before I really do that. But again, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.